Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add an accordion element in Wix Studio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. An accordion is a great way to manage large amounts of information in a compact area, allowing users to expand and collapse sections as needed. First, you'll want to look for the Add Elements option in your editor, which you can find represented by a plus icon located conveniently on the left side of the editor's interface. Once you've clicked on Add Elements, a list of categories will appear. Look for Layout Tools among these options. Within Layout Tools, there's a specific option for accordions. Go ahead and click on Accordions, which will provide you with a selection of different styles and designs to choose from. Take a moment to look through the options and find an accordion that aligns well with the aesthetic and functional goals of your web page. Once you've made your choice, simply drag that accordion design over to the area of your page where you want it to be displayed. Now that we've successfully added an accordion to your page, it's time to customize its content to make it truly yours. Begin by selecting the accordion element you just placed on your page. This will bring up some additional options, including the key feature we're focusing on: Manage Items. This option allows you to tailor each section of your accordion with specific details that you want to present. Click on Manage Items, and you will see all the items contained within your accordion. Click on the specific item you wish to edit. A helpful tip here: when you click on an item, it opens on your canvas, allowing you to easily see what the item currently displays. This visual context can be incredibly helpful as you make your changes. At this point, you can enhance your accordion by adding relevant elements and information to the item you've selected. Think about what content will be most beneficial for your audience and include that information. This could be text descriptions, images, or any content that fits within the accordion section space. By following these steps, you can efficiently add and edit accordion elements on your web page, improving the user experience by giving them easy control over your content's visibility based on their interest and needs. Keep experimenting with different styles and information to see what works best for your site. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add an accordion element in Wix Studio. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.